Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love reading from March 16th through the 31st. Welcome back, and welcome if you are new. I am a new YouTuber, and I thank you so much for clicking on this video and supporting it. I really appreciate that. So Pisces, we are going to talk about two things in this video. We're going to look at how you feel about this person, how your person of interest feels toward you. Also, we're going to look at the point of view. How do you two perceive each other? So that is all we're going to talk about today. And if you're interested in an extended reading to find out how to work through the issues, advice from the angels about what to do, and also what are their real intentions for this connection with you, I highly recommend getting an extended reading. The link for that is down below in the description box if you're interested in getting that from me. I also do personal readings. If you're interested, just shoot me an email. It's down below as well. All right, Pisces, so let's get started. How do you feel about your love connection right now? Okay, some of you are feeling the need to have to prove yourself to this person, or maybe you're in this space of proving yourself to other people. For some reason, you feel that you're having to provide proof of something because this person suspects that you're lying about something or cheating on them. This person doesn't believe you. It's something that you've been doing, a change in your behavior, a change in your pattern lately that's making this person feel as though you are lying to them about something. You are cheating on them for some reason. Or this is like a newer connection that feels like you're hiding things and that you're not really showing them your truth. This could also be just a very insecure person, Pisces. Just a very insecure person who feels that you have to prove to them that you're real, or that they are a part of your path, the path that you choose right now, that they are a part of your destiny. They kind of want you to prove because they're insecure. That's what this seems like for a lot of you. Could be that. But this person had you in a testing ground recently, I feel, or you felt this way. This is how you feel. You feel like somehow with this person, you kind of have to prove your loyalty to them, okay? And I feel like this person's tempting you. They're tempting you. They're getting you out of your character a little bit lately. They've been testing you and you feel tested. Like they're asking you things that you know you're not going to answer. Or they're testing you by doing things that they should know better, you know? It's like, I thought you knew better. But they're doing it anyway to see how far you would let them take something with you, to see if you would get upset about something, or to see how you would react to something. Like this person could be a little bit manipulative or into mind games, and they could be doing things to see how you would respond to it, to know if it's okay if they continue this type of behavior. Maybe you've let this person get away with certain things in the past, but now you're like, I think this person's testing me. Okay? So there's like a little question mark here now for you, Pisces, where you're starting to suspect things about them just as much as they're suspecting things about you. Okay? Now, your person of interest, how are they feeling toward the Pisces? This person feels like the connection is moving forward, but more slower than they expected it to move, Pisces. They want to move this connection forward quicker, but they feel like it's just really slow, or at a slower pace than what they're used to. For some of you, they're moving slower than you want it to move, and they're holding you up, okay? Or they feel like you're moving slow. You don't want to do things that they want to do or how they want to do it. I feel like this person is not necessarily trying to rush you to do anything serious right now, but they are demanding your loyalty at the same time. You know, there is another zodiac sign that I did a reading for that sounded similar to this. Like a person who that sign was dealing with wanted them to do something similar to what your person maybe asking or requiring of you right now. And I forget what sign that is. I'm not sure if it was Sagittarius, or I'm not sure. I know that it was a birthday or a zodiac sign that's in the late summer, early fall. I can't remember if it was Leo, but whoever you're connecting with, go back and look at their video on my channel, their love reading from March 16th and 31st, and see if it sounds similar, because I think I've done a reading or two that's similar to this, and you guys must be connecting with someone like a summer month person or fall for some of you. But either way, this person is like asking you for your loyalty, and they're testing you. Okay? This person may also sound like they're speaking to you irrationally. Like they just may sound irrational with the things that they're asking you about or asking of you. They may even be speaking about you to other people, and other people are like, you sound crazy. Why are you asking the Pisces that? Or why are you feeling the way you feel about the Pisces? Or why is this even on your mind about the Pisces? You know, or like, what are you trying to do here? Like, other people are even giving this person the side eye now, because they're like, wait a minute, what? You feel that way about the what? About the Pisces? No. You know, it's that kind of thing. It's like, this person even sounds crazy to their friends, to their family members. This person sounds crazy to people because they know that the Pisces is not doing what this person suspects them to be doing, or that the Pisces is thinking totally different than what this person feels. Okay? So this person's on another page at this time for some strange reason. And I think it's because this person feels like they're ready for a new experience with you. I think that that's why they may be poking and prying at the connection right now, because they know that they want something new. They want to introduce a new energy into your connection. Like they want a new level to the connection. They may want to start spending more time with you. They may be wanting a baby. They may be wanting to marry you. They may be wanting to be in a relationship with you. They may be wanting to have more sex with you, that kind of thing. This person wants a new experience overall with you. And I think that they're trying to find a balance with this connection. But instead of like coming at you about it, they're accusing you of things or testing you, because they're losing their sense of self-control. They can't handle how they feel about you. They can't handle themselves. So this is either a person who is totally into you, Pisces, and they can't help it. They really want you really bad, or they really want something with you really bad, and they can't control how they feel about you anymore. But they're doing it in a very like immature way. Instead of just coming to you and telling you, I want you, they're instead thinking that you're doing something, and that's making you not tell them you want them, or you have to prove your loyalty to them before they give you their heart, kind of thing. But they're not doing anything to prove their loyalty to you, and they're not really telling you that this is a part. See, okay, this person is very manipulative right now, and they want your heart, but they're not showing you that that's really what they're doing. If this person is dealing with someone else, they're only dealing with this other person to make you jealous. They want you. If this person's in a marriage right now, they're only staying because they want you to kind of like prove to them that you want to be with them enough for them to leave. Wow. If they are single, but they're still doing this to you, then they're afraid to let go of their singlehood. They're afraid to settle down. This person gives me a vibe where this is the butterflies in the belly before it is time to commit to someone. The one thing that most men are so afraid to do, which is spend the rest of their lives with somebody. It's like that feeling after you get proposed to, and then he gets really, really scared, because he knows that he's about to spend the rest of his life with you, or before he proposes. This is that feeling. This is someone who knows that they really do want to be with you. Don't get it twisted. This person may be manipulative. They may be playing a little bit of a mind game with you, Pisces, to see where you are with things, but that is only because they are very, very serious. If they weren't serious about you, then they would not be doing this. I don't sense that they're cheating, but I do sense that this person is serious. So let's look at point of views. This is interesting and very, very sneaky. Okay, so point of view, how do you see this person, Pisces? Oh, Pisces, you know you're the prize. Oh yeah. Pisces, you're very confident. You're very self-assured. You're very, I got the sauce. Hey, I'm saucy. You feel saucy. You feel like, yeah, I know. I know. He loves me. He likes me. She loves me. She likes me. So, it's just like you feel like this person should be thankful that you didn't walk away from them yet for putting you through this testing ground here. You feel like this person should say thank you at this point. Just tell me thank you, because I'm putting up with a lot of your insecurities right now. I'm putting up with a lot of your trust issues, and I'm still down for this. I know what you're going through. I see how you're working through your emotions, but you don't know how to express it to me. You're kind of being like the more mature one in the situation. And you see this person as your guiding light. You do. I think that you're also thankful for them too a little bit. Yeah. This person is someone who you truly appreciate. You see them as a beautiful person on the inside or the outside, and this person you feel is a divine soulmate, a divine twin flame. So you are connecting with a soulmate or a twin flame. Twin flames are rare. They're very, very rare. So most of you, it's going to be a high level soulmate that you're dealing with. You know that they're your soulmate. You know that. You know that your souls were meant to meet and you guys were meant to be together. Soulmates last a really long, 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 long time. And you know that this person has a reason for being there. So how does this person see you? This person sees you as having fears about the connection. They see you as having fears. They feel like you're a little afraid of the outcome. They feel like sometimes you have negative thoughts about them or about the connection. They see you like moving out of this fight or flight energy, where it's like you're always responding from trauma. You always have to put your defenses up, your walls up. It feels to this person like something happened to you in the past that was very traumatic, and something probably did. And this person can tell, whether you told them or not. They know something is not right. They know that there's something that you went through in your life that requires you to be courageous, even if you're afraid. They feel like you're afraid to take things to the next level with them. They probably want to marry you, and they know that you're scared. You may be scared because this person knows how much you've been hurt. This person knows how much you've been through, or you come from humble beginnings, and this is something, maybe you're breaking a generational curse. Your family, this is not something that you're used to, and they know you're kind of scared because you'll be like the first one doing it. This person feels like you're always in survival mode, like you're always thinking things are a threat. Things that they say is a threat. You're always on patrol. You're always worried about something, but they want you to know that you don't have to worry about anything with them. You can be vulnerable. They want you to be vulnerable. They actually really like your vulnerability, to be honest with you. And they want you to start regaining your confidence again. Like you don't have anything to be afraid of. Whoever you were dealing with in the past, you're traumatized by that person. That's how they see you. Whether this is true or not true, this may not be true. But this person thinks that someone traumatized you real bad in the past, and that's the reason why you're afraid to take things to that new level with them that they really want to take it to with you. They see you as being someone who's just scared. You're just scared of something, okay? So that's your reading, and that's how your person sees you. I hope that this resonated with you, Pisces, and if you're interested in knowing more about your love life, please like and subscribe to my videos. God bless you.